So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick little sort of channel update and showing you the new things that I've purchased. So I went on a little bit of a spree basically, as unfortunately I couldn't attend Waxstock this year, and obviously would have spent money going down there and probably a lot whilst I was there. So I treated myself, jumped online and got some new bits to try out. So I'm just going to be quickly taking you through what I've purchased and what's going to be kind of coming up on the channel as well. So I will start probably over here. So I got 3 products from a brand called Performance People. And those of you who have seen the main channel video on the Mazda 2 that I ceramic coated from brand new, you'll know that I use the Rain ceramic coating, which is a 7-year 10H ceramic coating with some really big claims. And so far it looks absolutely fantastic. So I thought I'll pick these up to help with just general coating maintenance, but also on that vehicle I'll probably be using them as well. So I have 3 products. So I have a snow foam, which is called Shock Therapy. Now this is not an alkaline snow foam, it's just a pH neutral snow foam. However, basically what they've said with this one is that it's great for ceramic coatings. This should hopefully sort of bring all the life back to the ceramic between each sort of maintenance wash. So I am interested to see how that fares. I think the dilution ratios off the top of my head are between 1:10 and 1:20, so pretty competitive there. I also have their shampoo, which is a pH neutral maintenance shampoo. It's supposed to be one of those sort of no-frills shampoos. They really are a brand that don't like any sort of gimmicks or anything like that. The idea is that the chemicals just really work without sort of any fluff. So this shampoo looks like a pretty good one too. So off the top of my head, I'll just have a look at the dilution ratio. It's in capfuls, which I don't usually like, so it make it a little bit hard to kind of translate to everyone how much I'm using. I'll probably just go for about 20ml in the bucket though and see how I get on with this. It is supposed to be quite concentrated, so hopefully it'll be a good one as well. And then finally I have their Use Protection ceramic spray sealant, and it's a topper, so you can use it obviously on top of ceramic coating, so I probably will apply that to this Mazda 2 when I sort of feel like it probably needs it. But you can use it standalone as well, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this one gets on. I think it's supposed to be sort of a 6 to 12 month kind of spray sealant, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Obviously from my experience, spray sealants I usually don't get that long out of. The very best ones I've tried, I usually sort of get 4-5 months maybe max out of them. So 6 to 9 months, it's a pretty decent claim, so it'll be interesting to see how this fares on its own as well. I also got a top up of my favourite tar and glue remover. Not too much to say about this one. This is the Garage Therapy one. I've used this on a lot of videos. I don't really tend to experiment that much with tar and glue removers. I kind of just want to pick one that works. This one is probably the most powerful that I've tried, but it's still nice and safe as well. So yeah, this is my go-to and I don't really mess about and try many different ones. I also picked up this Cronus, which is from Labo Cosmetica. Not actually tried any of their products before, but I've heard that it's a really good brand, so maybe if this one goes well, I'll try some more of them. But yeah, this one is a very interesting product and I haven't actually seen anything like it. So it's described as a rapid decarboniser, and it's mainly used for exhaust tips. So when you're really struggling to remove stubborn kind of deposits on there, this is supposed to make really light work of them. So hopefully it will save me some time with my wire wool. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. So if I get some good exhaust tips to demo it on, I'll definitely make a little video on that one too. So yeah, some of these products obviously I purchased from Performance People, but the rest I purchased from Into Detailing. So whilst I was there, I did get some of these scrub pads. If you've watched many of my interior videos, you'll know that I absolutely love these. These are absolutely fantastic for sort of textured plastics, but I do sometimes use them on leather as well. But yeah, these are absolutely fantastic, and the ones I had were looking a bit grubby. So yeah, I got another 4-pack of these to get through. And also I purchased the final chemical, which is this one here. So this is Bilthamber Auto Wheel, and I know some people are going to be really glad that I've finally tried this. Since starting the YouTube channel, maybe I think probably 4 years ago, I have had many comments being like, try Bilthamber Auto Wheel. Anyway, I'm finally doing it, so hopefully it lives up to expectations. It's not the cheapest in the world, but you do get a litre of it. I think it's probably about 15-16 quid. So the final thing that I purchased from Into Detailing is up here, and this is the IK Multi Pro 2 360. That is a very long name, but anyway, I usually use the IK 1.5 Multi, but I've had that for a few years now, and it's looking a little bit tatty. It still works absolutely fine, and I've really sort of used it quite a lot, so that is a testament to the quality. But I thought I'd upgrade to that one, so that has a few nice little features, the main one being the 360 thing, which means you can spray it when it's upside down, so it's good if there's not much left in your bottle and you're doing like wheel arches and things like that. So I am probably going to do a review and sort of unboxing video on that, so keep an eye out if you are interested in that one too. And then I also have a few products back here that I wanted to talk about that I've actually been sent down to test. So first up, we have High Definition Details new acidic wheel cleaner. I don't generally tend to use acidic wheel cleaners that often, so it might be a little while before you see it featured on the channel. Generally tend to only use them if the wheels are really, really grubby and I'm really struggling with an alkaline wheel cleaner. But I am quite excited to try this. The only other acidic wheel cleaner I've tried is the one by, which one is it called? KKD Devil's Juice. Yeah, that one, and that is very, very strong. So yeah, I'm interested to see how this fares, particularly by comparison to that. And then I also have 2 new products from Garage Therapy, and I have just used these once before these arrived last week. So first up we have this one, which is a product that I didn't really think Garage Therapy would make, and I was quite surprised to see it, but it is a rinseless wash. Now I have given this a try once on the Volkswagen Up, and yeah, it actually worked better than I thought it would. I was really sort of nervous to try it, as my main concern was that it was going to cause kind of marring and scratches. However, it didn't cause any whatsoever on that car. That is, however, a Volkswagen that's sort of 10 to 15 years old now, so the paintwork on it is rock hard. Would I be as eager to try it on my Mazda? Probably not. I'm still quite nervous about it. So rinseless washes are a very new concept to me. That's the first time I've ever tried one. And I'm not completely sold on the method really yet, but I'm interested to try it a little bit more, and yeah, maybe I might do a video on that one too. I also have this one here, which is the demineralization shampoo. So this is an acidic shampoo. It's mainly used for sort of decontamination purposes. If you have a ceramic coated vehicle, then you might notice that it's getting clogged. This is a product that's definitely going to help with that. I used it on my MX-5 and it did a cracking job. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this one a bit more. This is something that fits into probably my detailing kind of routine a little bit more than that one. So yeah, definitely one to look out for if you are into acidic shampoos. So I do just want to take the opportunity to thank everyone for the support on this new channel. Obviously I started this one to make videos that were a little bit different to the main channel. The reason being is that the main channel is mainly sort of focused on vehicle transformations and kind of addressing these bigger, broader themes. But there are a lot of videos that I do want to make that maybe wouldn't do as well on that channel, sort of more niche things, more kind of product reviews and things like that. So I am really happy so far with how they've been received, and I'm definitely going to keep uploading on here too. I've got a decent list of ideas for new videos on here, but if there is anything in particular that you do want to see, then please let me know in the comments. I'm always open to new suggestions. If you have enjoyed the video, then it would be brilliant if you could drop it a like, and thanks very much for watching.